Listen, I know you're lost, I know you don't feel great, I know how it feels like, I've been there, but there's a way out. And I found it. I have a great direction right now in my life, and I did that just by applying what I'm telling you about in this video. If you don't know who I am, my name is Vyncke. I used to be the personal trainer of a guy who met that was making 300k a month. We went in business together, now I'm building my own business, and I document in those videos what I learned to help you become truly free and successful, have a direction in your life, right? So if you want your life to get that much better, and it can, believe me it can, watch this video, apply what I'm telling you about. It's not the most joyful video, but it will help you out. Please, watch it, trust me on this one, take a chance, discover this and consider it. Really consider it with an open mind, it will help you out. If you want to subscribe, I'll let you with the video.
This is no joke. You can really actually love your life and not be lost anymore and enjoy really your life if you actually do something about it. And I think this thing might be, just consider starting a business. Like really, you're lost, you don't know what to do, just go and try to serve people. Alright? Just go and serve. Like you are here on earth to serve people. You want to help them. You want to help as many people as possible. And this is how you start, right? You can start for free. You can start charging like little to no money. And little by little you're going to see what people want, what people need. Would they be willing to pay more for this service, this product that you are offering? And really, this is the thing to do when you're lost. Why? Because first of all, you don't have nothing better to do. All right, like you're lost. Like basically, you don't care about your life. It's just like, okay, it's just like I live to just live. I just live to pay the bills, and that's it. Start saving up some money. All right, and try to make it like a game. All right, you want to win at the game. To win at the game, you gotta first believe that you can win at the game. And watch all of my other videos. They are really pretty insightful and they will help you to not lose at the game, because it's not pleasant to lose. I don't like losing, so I just make myself try as much as possible to win, and you should too. And to win, you actually just have to try it first. If you believe you have this tiny possibility of winning, and if you have this tiny possibility of winning, if other people have made it, you can too. I promise you can too. Like this is no joke. Like you actually can. Like we're not. Like you're watching this video. Do you know how bad my English was? Do you know how bad I couldn't articulate my ideas? Do you know how uncomfortable I was on camera? Maybe you can go and watch my first videos and you're going to see, like, dude, you can make progress. And this is the same thing. You see, this is the same thing in your life. You can actually mess up a lot, especially if you're young. If you're not 40 years old yet, you have way too much time, and you can win. Like even if you're 50 years old, you can win. Like if you're under 40, like this is no question to ask yourself. Can you win? Like you can win. Just are you willing to do what it takes to win? I'm gonna talk more profoundly about this in the next video. So if you want to know more about this, subscribe. One thing that you want to know is that when you're starting a business, you're going to fail. All right, you just be okay with it. All right, it's just to learn. Like you got to fail to learn. Like you cannot win at the game without losing sometimes. But you want to win the war, and be willing to lose some battles, right? So be willing to do that and just get your work ethic. Just start a business just to know and try to understand to really get a sense of what it takes to win, right? And if you do that, I think you'll be better off, and you will not be lost anymore. You will find some purpose in helping the people that you want to help. And actually, if you don't know where to start, just ask your surrounding. Like ask people around you, what do you think I'm good at? What do people ask you for advice on? Like, there are some people that just ask you some advice. Hey, what do you think about this? What is this? What do they ask you about? Ask your friends, hey, what problems do you have? Maybe you could solve that for them. And maybe you could charge them some money if they are willing to pay you. That means that you find something that people want to buy. And you could ask for more people to buy things from you, to buy service from you. Just try to not think too much about it. Just launch yourself. I made this mistake. I thought too much about how can I scale that? How can I make this into a system so that I don't have to work all day long to just no, don't worry about this. Worry about just selling something to people, and do this a little bit consistently, and then worry about how to make that easier and faster for you to just have more time, deliver better, services or products to people, and then you think about scaling. Then you start thinking about, hey, I'm gonna build a team. I'm a delegate that, delegate this. But first, you just gotta start somewhere, right? Start somewhere. Just right now. Right now, you can make this decision. Hey, maybe if there's a tiny possibility that I could make $20 right now. Just like for me on my own right now, I could go and find some. Like, okay, what problem do you have? Oh, I have this problem. Hey, would you be able to pay $20 if I solve this problem for you? Yeah. Oh, yeah, hell yeah. I would pay $50 for that. Huh. $50. Then you go and start somebody else. Hey, do you have this problem? Yes, I do. Would you be willing to pay $50 for that? Oh, $50? Yeah, of course. That would be like really, really that would really help me. Oh, that you found something. That I know it doesn't seem that easy when you're just you don't know, you just didn't start, you don't have knowledge, you don't have any profound awareness of what it takes, of how easy it is. You don't have no knowledge, you don't have anything, and maybe you do, and if you do, it's even better, even easier. I know I struggle a lot with this. I struggle a lot. I just think my way to problems in the future. Like, don't think of the future problems, what is going to occur. Just think about now. Bring cash and make it like a game. Bring cash. You need money, all right? You gotta make money, and maybe you want to. If you really want to, you would be making money right now. This is the harsh thing that I had to tell myself. I looked myself in the mirror. I said, "Hey, Ivaldi, you're just not good enough, man. You're just not good. If you really want to make money right now, you would actually be making money, man. You just don't want it enough. You just don't want it enough, right?" I kept there looking at myself. Fuck, like, I do want this, man. I really want this. And because I really want this, I'm gonna take the necessary steps to actually make it happen. Because I don't want anything less than that. I want to win at the game. I don't want to be a loser. I don't want to remain a loser. I don't want to end up, I have this picture of myself failing, and I don't want that to happen. I do not suggest that you make that, you put that in your mind. See yourself always as succeeding. You see yourself as this person that's maybe you're in a suit and you're just smiling and you have a great body and everybody likes you and everybody looks at you like, oh man, this is the guy. Everybody just look at you when you walk into the room, and everybody laughs because you're here and you make jokes and they hit and people laugh and everything, and you're just great, good looking, everything, just the perfect kind of charismatic guy, right? This is for me like, oh, this guy is successful. This guy has multiple businesses and everything. Oh, I want to be like this guy. And when I don't do what I know I should do, I just see this picture fade. I just see this picture. Oh no. I'm losing. I'm losing bad. And I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose that. I want that. I really want that. And this is where you start. You're lost. Just do something. And just try to picture yourself as succeeding. Just picture yourself. How do you want people to perceive you? All right. This is not bad to see. Don't care about how people see you, but if it helps you to motivate you, just, I don't care. Like, I want people to think like I'm the guy. I'm the man. And I want to see also that in me. Like, I want myself proud of me. Like, oh man, you doing, man. You're just doing pretty good. So yeah, just try it. Try. Consider the option of starting a business if you're lost right now. Consider the option of, hey, maybe this picture, this mental picture of yourself succeeding, really great charismatic person, just, the guy that everybody looks up to. You could be that guy. Like, you really could be. But you're just not willing to do the actions that it takes to get there. So be willing. Change your actions to do something. Start somewhere, no matter what. Don't try to make it perfect. Just try to make it as just easy as possible and just start. Once you start, get some momentum. Don't give up. And you're going to see everything is going to, flow. I make those videos because, I like doing them. And I want to help you guys, like, really, truly, because I know what it's like to be lost. I know what it's like to not know what to do with your life. I know what it's like to be broke, really broke, and be scared of not having enough money. I know what it's like. I want to help you guys. I want nobody to suffer because of lack of money. I want nobody to suffer because they think, they're worthless or they're lost. They don't know what to do with their lives. You don't need to know what to do with your life. Just find something to help people with. That's it. Find a way to make money out of that, and that's it. Go and do. Right? Subscribe and like too. And maybe there are some other videos that you can watch. I think they might help you.